Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Volvo S60. After years of producing good, solid, notably safe cars, Volvo has been busy injecting some much needed style into its cars in recent years. Now, far from being known for its slab-sided and rather dreary estates, the Swedish firm is an exemplar of the cool Scandi-style school of thought. This S60 executive saloon launched at the end of the 2018 added a much-needed dash of extra style and panache to its normally straight class, and it stands out even among such highbrow rivals as the Audi A4 and the BMW 3 Series and the Mercedes S-Class, C-Class. Now good looks aren't everything. You'll need a bit of muscle to back things up. And interestingly on that theme, under the bonnet of the handsome S60, you'll find only petrol engines, 247 bhp 2.0 liter T5 and 385 bhp 2.0 liter T8 plug-in hybrid initially changed after a 2020 facelift to the 2.0 B5P, which was now a regular petrol electric hybrid engine, 2.0 TH T8 recharge PHEV, which is a plug-in hybrid. There's also a sportier version of the PHEV engine known as the Polyester Engineered. Initially, trims on offer were inscription and art design. As for those wanting something sporty, because it has lower suspension, larger 18-inch alloy wheels and gloss back exterior pieces, inscription is the even more luxurious model with food inlays inside and plenty of chrome outside. Only one trim is offered on post-2020 cars, our Design Edition. The series is well equipped with 19-inch alloys, heated from seats and heated steering wheel, a driver head-up display, climate control, adaptive cruise control, keyless entry, rain sensing, wipers and automatic headlights. The plug-in hybrid polyester engineered T8 versions have 19-inch alloys, a heated steering wheel, an upgraded Harman Kardon sound system, and a set of expensive all-lens adjustable dampers and a bespoke suspension tune. With many illustrious rivals in the mix, the S60 needs to be decent to drive. Fortunately, it is. The most disappointing thing about the S60 is its uncomfortable ride. That's partly because the only version on sale at present has relatively stiff sports suspension fitted as standard. It's a setup that delivers a decidedly firm ride no matter what speed you're doing. Although things are worse around town, more comfortable executive saloons include the Audi A4 and Jaguar XE. The S60's Lumpy Ride would be easier to accept, were as fun to drive as its rivals such as the 3 Series and Gula. However, it actually leans more through tight twists and turns and is generally less willing to change direction in the first place. Not to be outdone by the competition, you can personalize your driving experience with various driving modes available. You can make the steering lighter or heavier, alter the brake pedal feel, and also make the accelerator response sharper. Where the S60 differs most from its predecessors is inside, where there's a far more room for both people and luggage. The driver and front passenger have very comfortable seats with plenty of leg, head and shoulder room. The raised center console and well-padded door mounted armrests are great for long journeys too. Rear seat occupants also get lots of space to spread out, although fitting 3 adults across the rear bench would be pushing it. The boot is a good size too. The 2.0 T5 petrol averages 41.5 mpg under the latest WLTP test, where the plug-in hybrid version, the T8 averages is an extraordinary 166.2 mpg. You probably won't see this figure in the real world unless you charge it up regularly and your journeys are short and the car fits into your lifestyle. Volvo servicing certainly isn't the cheapest around, but you can spread the cost with a monthly service plan. The cheapest S60 to ensure is in group 34 and the plug-in hybrid T in 42. On the whole, the S60 sits in higher insurance groups than the Audi A4, could cost you more per year to insure. Look out for any bodywork damage such as dents and scratches. Make sure the bumpers don't have any scrapes because they can always be repaired and replacements are expensive. Make sure the alloy wheels haven't been curved because not only can they be costly to repair, but they also might be hiding some more serious suspension alignment issues. Volvo offers some light colored trim options that might start to look grubby if not kept clean. A problem was found with the vehicle connectivity module VCM that sends location information to the emergency services after a collision. It applies to cars constructed between 26 September 2018 and 30 October 2018. Any Volvo dealer should be able to perform a software update to fix the issue. There could be a problem with loose nuts and screws on the rear suspension of S60S made between 25 September 2018 and 1st April 2019. Contact your local dealer because they'll be able to tell you if your car is affected. If it is, the bolts will be checked for tightness and replaced if necessary. The AEB system, which is supposed to apply the brakes when the forward collision sensors detect an imminent collision, might not actually do so. A software update is all that is required to sort the issue. And it applies to V60, S90, V90, XC40, XC60, and XC90 models built after 21st January 2019. The fix can be completed by any Volvo dealer, and owners should have been contacted regarding this. However, you can also speak with your local retailer for further information. The S60 finished in 9th place out of 25 cars in the executive car class in our most recent reliability survey. Volvo as a manufacturer ranked 11th in the most recent What Car reliability survey out of 31 brands. We would seek out the 2.0 T5 version either in earlier pure petrol form or in later petrol and hybrid version. Its punchy, smooth, and economical. As far as trims go, we'd look for the regular R design trim, which is well equipped and reasonably priced used. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.